Can you see yourself in the 2022 Toyota Tundra? With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Explore this rugged Toyota Tundra, the adventure-loving, full-size pickup with impressive towing and hauling capabilities and a smooth, refined ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system. Relax and enjoy the adventure in this can-do Tundra. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.